Welcome back to the summer meadow. Perhaps it already feels a little familiar. The tall grasses sway gently in the warm breeze. Wildflowers dance softly around you, and somewhere nearby, birds sing their simple summer songs. Find a comfortable way of sitting or lying down. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to gently close. Take one slow, conscious breath in and let it flow easily back out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Feel the ground supporting you beneath you. Feel the warmth of the summer air resting lightly on your skin. There is nowhere you need to be and nothing you need to become. There is only this quiet moment. Joy does not need to be chased today. Perhaps it simply needs a little space to find you. Bring your awareness to the area just below your navel. There is nothing you need to imagine perfectly. Simply notice this part of yourself. As you breathe, perhaps this space begins to soften. Perhaps it feels a little warmer or simply a little more open. If it helps, imagine a gentle orange glow resting here. Warm, steady, and alive. Like the first light of morning touching the meadow, joy doesn't always arrive all at once. Sometimes it begins with the smallest softening, like the first wildflower opening to the summer sun. Allow yourself to rest with whatever you notice. There is nothing to force, nothing to make happen, only this quiet invitation to feel a little more alive. Perhaps you notice butterflies drifting lazily through the meadow, moving effortlessly on the warm summer air. There is no hurry, only gentle movement. Take one easy breath and continue. Now allow your awareness to rise to the area above your navel. Notice whatever is already here. Maybe warmth, stillness, or perhaps very little at all. Everything is welcome. Imagine a soft golden light glowing here. like a tiny summer sun. With each breath, its warmth gently spreads through your chest, your shoulders, your back, your arms. Allow yourself to quietly remember that this moment is enough, that you are enough. You might gently whisper within yourself, I welcome the joy that is already finding its way home. A warm breeze moves through the grasses. Each blade bends gently, then rises again, without effort, without struggle. And perhaps your own body knows this rhythm too. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Simply listen. Notice your breath. Notice the quiet rhythm of your heart. If you wish, imagine a soft green light or the gentle pink of summer blossoms, slowly expanding with every breath. Perhaps a memory appears, or perhaps someone you love comes to mind. Or perhaps there is only the warmth of the sun, the scent of wildflowers, the song of birds singing nearby. Sometimes joy arrives, not because something extraordinary happens, but because we finally notice the beauty that has been quietly surrounding us. Allow your heart to receive this moment just as it is. Now simply notice the gentle warmth below your navel, the quiet golden light above it, and the spaciousness within your heart. Perhaps they begin to flow together naturally. like 3 gentle streams becoming one peaceful river. You may notice a quiet current of aliveness moving through you. Not dramatic, but simply present, simply peaceful. So rest here for a few easy breaths, allowing this feeling to settle gently within you. Begin to notice the sounds around you once again. The breeze, the birds, the grasses swaying together. Remember, this feeling does not belong only to this meditation. It is something you can return to whenever life feels heavy. The summer meadow will still be here, waiting quietly for you. Take one final slow breath in and gently let it go. And when you feel ready, allow your eyes to softly open. If you feel drawn to create today, allow your painting to be wonderfully simple. Rather than painting the meadow itself, notice what feeling wants to appear on the page. Perhaps your brush is drawn to warm orange or gentle gold, maybe soft greens or delicate pinks. Follow your intuition, and perhaps your hand moves as freely as the grasses are moving in the breeze. There is nothing to get right, simply an invitation to continue listening. When your painting is complete, let it become a quiet reminder that joy is not something you must search for. Sometimes it is simply waiting for a little space to bloom. Thank you for spending this time in the summer meadow. Until we meet here again, may you carry a little of its light with you.